What's going on? This is Pen and Bud's Food Spot, and I'm about to show y'all how we get down in the kitchen. Now today, we about to cook some beef tenderloin steaks, some bomb ass dirty rice, and some spinach with a cucumber salad on the side. Now you can get all these ingredients right here at Kroger for the low. You know what I'm saying? You can get all that nice. Now let's let this start off with these beef tenderloins. You feel me? Now with the beef tenderloins, you want to add the salt and pepper on both sides. Now some people just, they might just put salt and pepper on theirs, on their steaks. But me, I like to put salt and pepper and everything nice. And I like to season it well, you know what I'm saying? So don't judge me. Now season both sides real good. Pat them down real nice. Feel me? You don't want this shit to be bland. I'm talking about for real. Make sure you season it good, man. You know what I'm saying? Now, when you get done seasoning everything good and all that, you want to cut up some bell peppers and onions. You know what I'm saying? Your garlic and all that. Get you a skillet. Put some oil in it. Add your herbs and spices in there before you add your veggies. You feel me? Make sure that's all nice and marinated. And when you get done with that, you add your bell peppers and onions. You know what I'm saying? Your mushrooms and garlic and all that. And you stir that around real nice and let that marinate. Feel me? Once that get the sweating down pretty good and turn kind of a light dark color, you add your rice. You add day old rice, not no today's rice, but day old rice. You feel me? Now look at that rice. Damn, that look good as hell. I'm telling you, it's gonna be some good shit when you get done with it. Now this is a regular meal that you can make at home. Now you get that pot together for your spinach. You add butter, a little olive oil, garlic, and onions. You know what I'm saying? And then you fill that pot up with that spinach. Don't add no water. Just add you some red pepper flakes, some onion powder, and some garlic powder, and a little salt. And you're done. You let that cook down for a little bit. Boom. There you go. You got it cooked down nice. And it's good. You see, now you see that water bubbling off in there? You ain't add no water. And that's good. Now go outside, start that grill up. And, make sure it's good and hot. So you can get some good grill marks on there. Boom, look at that. Good grill marks on that steak. Woo. And looking real nice and good. Beautiful. This is truly beautiful. Now you let them boys sit and rest for a little bit. So you know what I'm saying, they can get the juices good up in there and flaring nice and being juicy. And whew, I'm going crazy because this is about to be so bomb. You know what I'm saying? Nah, it's done. It's on. It's over. Dinner is served. Now this is one of our nice meals that we like to put together. This is a regular meal. You can like it. You can like, share, subscribe if you most definitely want to look at us more and see us more.